The days when Son of God walked the earth in flesh and blood, in the dusty streets of Nain.
In the dusty streets of Nain, sorrow filled the air. A widow walked in silence, her heart too heavy to bear. Her only son lay still, no breath, no light, no sound, and grief wrapped round her soul like a burial shroud.
But from the crowd a voice so kind, eyes of mercy, heart divine.
My Lord listens to our prayers. He wipes the tears of a widow. My mighty Jesus brings back the sun and life flows. Oh, death, you have no claim. The King of life calls his name.
He touched the bier with holy hands. The mourners stopped at his command. Young man, arise, he spoke with power, and life returned in that very hour.
The crowd stood still, the chains were broken. A